Hey guys, how's it going? It's Gabe here, and just wanted to take some time to make a review video for you today on the product Graham Commissions. This is a training course that is a method that shows you how to build a massive Instagram account with real engaged followers by leveraging unknown software to pump out unlimited engaging content to over 500 million buyers and put it all on autopilot. So I also, in addition to the review and the product you guys will see, have bonuses that you're going to receive if you use my affiliate link to purchase this product today that you can find down in the description below. Again, those bonuses are going to be a bunch of cool things that you can use to make more money online and to be able to grow your business, and they're free. But these normally used to cost money and were products that people have paid for in the past. So those are going to be yours for free today with my link. Graham Commissions is going to be live, available for purchase on June 25th. And let's go ahead and get right into this so you can see the back end here, and we'll hop into the sales page. So on the sales page, you can see here, it's telling you that it makes them $300 a day on autopilot in just a couple of clicks. So let's go ahead and scroll through this. There's a video here that talks about that. Here's some of the key things about it. You can get engaging content that banks commissions on autopilot, get all the traffic you'll ever need, build multiple real assets that you can sell later on. It works in any niche. New beginners are getting results loaded overnight, no experience required, and they have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So when we scroll down through this, there's going to be some testimonials here. It's telling you, again, 3 easy steps. You just grab the commissions product, you download the software, and then you set it up on autopilot. It's showing you some of the results that they had in just a day. Again, more results there. And then it goes on just to kind of pretty much talk about, the different people who are struggling right now, or the things that they're doing right now in life with their current job or situation, and how they can get out of that by using a product like this to help them. This is Chase Young. He's the creator of the product. And it just talks about those things like that. He was once in a spot like that as well, and now he is able to, be out of that because of the work and the results he got from a product like this. So again, we'll keep scrolling down here. There's a lot of those analogies that they have in here. It's telling you that you don't have to do any of these things here. You don't have to create content, make videos, pay for traffic, write emails, have experience. None of that. More testimonials here and more results. And then we'll kind of go down here and talks about what Graham Commission is. It's a method that they developed. It allows to build, like I said in the beginning. You don't need any tech skills or experience. You can set it and forget it. Infinite traffic, they'll show you how to create massive Instagram accounts, like we said, and we'll jump into the back end here in just a second so you can see, but they're just saying there's a lot of different ways to monetize through this. If you're an affiliate marketer, through e-commerce, high ticket sales, if you're doing selling physical products, digital products, you can sell shout outs to business owners and so much more. And there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, living the life you deserve. And then we're getting to the vendor bonuses here. So there's where we want to stop here, because they're offering quite a few vendor bonuses. So they're saying there's $3,982 in bonuses that you're getting. The first one's going to be the Inner Circle Community Group. Get access to a community of like-minded individuals to the network and discuss their latest tips. Bonus number 2, you are going to get step-by-step training videos and in-depth over-the-shoulder training videos to see how everything works inside Graham Commissions. Then you're going to get real-life case study for bonus number 3. You can see the exact steps that he took to make $5,000 a month. Commercial number 4, you're going to get the commercial license. You want to create limited engaging content for business owners and charge them for it. Go ahead. So you're going to be able to do that. And then bonus number 5 ways to get massive results daily with Instagram commissions. So it's just going to help you to really get started to utilize this product even more so. And then as we scroll down here, you're seeing the very end of this product. It's going live soon. Get access now. We're going to hop over to the back end. Again, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you can see this, what you're going to get once you purchase the product. So on the back end here, it's a series of training videos. So this is all training videos that you'll watch that Chase is walking you through how to do all this stuff on the back end. So you can see this welcome video here. You'd play it. Then he goes into the commission platforms that they're using. You click on those. It opens up another video that you can watch that he's showing you step by step on these things, what to do. Okay, so then the next step, you have Instagram setup. So he's basically taking you by the hand, showing you how to set up your Instagram account properly so you can really leverage this to make money, and all the different logos and bios that you want to use. Again, there's videos in there that are going to teach you that. And then he's showing you more tools that you can use. Again, these are all videos that you're just watching. Tools that you can use, it goes there. And then it shows you the autopilot software. So, it takes you through the software that you use to be able to actually, put this on autopilot. And you walk through those. You can see you can click on those. It plays stuff and has updates. Again, how to automate your own content. These are all just videos in the back end that you can watch and be able to get trained on. So he's going to show you how to actually set up your account properly, the softwares that you're going to be using to actually put those on autopilot and be able to get engaging posts and to build your following on Instagram. He's walking you through those things. I watched through these videos. He's showing you how to make, your following and your account just get bigger and bigger in the proper way you can do things, and the tips and tricks that he uses himself to be able to have that sort of success. So you also have the bonuses that he talked about. Here's all the bonuses right here. And then you'll be able to upgrade and choose different packages you can use to upgrade what you're getting. Now in the upgrades, what he has for you is like all the hashtags that he uses. He'll have all those uploaded in there. Some of the images and the posts that he uses will be up in the upgrades for you. So those are some of the things that you'll get with that. But with this right here, you're basically going to see, again, how he does all the setup, from each one to each one. And it's just going to pretty much explain all that all by video. So it definitely helps with the learning process. Not any reading. It's all just watching videos. You learn how to do this stuff, and then you can go ahead and try it out for yourself. So yeah, that's the back end here. Again, there's a few different things here. There's support that you can click on and talk to someone if you need to. But it's just those different sections there. You watch those and you can see how you can start utilizing Graham commissions to make money. So let me go ahead and show you my bonuses that you're going to receive with my link today if you were to use it. And essentially, before I do that though, I want to go over the pricing because that's something that's important. So the initial front end price to get the product is $12.95. So everything that we talked about today, all the vendor bonuses, and all the bonuses that you're gonna get from me, $12.95. That's it. And then you'll be able to actually access the back end like I just showed you. And then if you get the upsell, number one, it's gonna be the Jetpack, $37. You're gonna grab the Done For You system and assets to bank up $300 per day. The Done For You professional Instagram profiles, Done For You 100,000 hashtags like I talked about, Done For You call to actions. Then the upsell number two is called the Booster, $67. You're going to get a masterclass in influencer marketing and bank hundreds of instantly on your first campaign. You can tap into the powerful world of influencers, step-by-step training. Then upsell number three is called Empire, $97. You can build a Instagram empire, building and selling Instagram accounts, step-by-step guide on how to sell your own Instagram accounts. So again, he's basically showing you how to build up these accounts. You build them up yourself, then you can sell them to other people once you've built them up so they can use them for their own business or whatever they have. And then upsell number four is the reseller rights. So you can become a Graham Commissions partner, resell Graham Commissions as your own product and keep 100% of the commissions. So that's also a great thing there for $147. And let's get into the bonuses you'll get here. In addition to all that, you will get bonus one. That's called the Lost Code. It's going to be teaching you how to make money online through different avenues besides what you're going to be learning on Graham Commissions. Then the next bonus you'll be getting is the Commission Blueprint. Again, if you're new, it's going to show you how to be a super affiliate, how to make money online, and then shows you how they made over $500,000 in commissions in the last 12 months. The Secret Weapon, you're also going to get that training as well. This is more just different ways of how to make money online. We know you guys are interested in that product with Graham Commissions on making money. We want to show you other ways to make money online as well. And then we're going to have bonus number four, Easy Passive Paydays. This is a way to have passive income coming through online, be able to make money there as well. And then you have bonus number five, which is everything that's going to be the bonuses that the vendor's offering, which we went over earlier. Again, these are all products that people in the past have paid for, have used, had really liked, and now they're going to be yours for free if you use the link today to purchase this product. So that's essentially it, guys, for all of that, I do want to give you the review for Graham Commissions. Overall, the product is a solid product, a lot of good information in there. When you're watching through the videos, I learned a lot of stuff I did not know on how to be able to build up that Instagram following, and a lot of tips and tricks. The software that he's using that shows you how to put those things on autopilot, I had no idea about that. And so it's going to give you a lot of information. Definitely, you know, the $12.95 to learn that information, some of those tips and tricks that's well worth the money. But the only thing I would say on the back end of the training that you won't get, you know, and that I didn't like is just there's not a whole lot of time spent if you are new on how to actually get into the you know, the affiliate marketing part of it. If you're looking to get on different platforms to become an affiliate marketer, how you would actually kind of go about that to get your first couple of partnerships as an affiliate, and to set those up to be able to actually then promote products on your Instagram account that you're building up. But other than that, you know, you can see other videos online. There's stuff like that you can find on YouTube and other places that would show you those steps. So you could easily bridge the gap there. But other than that, the information, again, that he's using and teaching is definitely valuable on how to be able to grow your Instagram account. Again, it drops right now. It's available for purchase currently. You can go pick up your copy today. Again, the bonuses I provided, you'd also be getting if you use my link. I appreciate you guys watching today. Thanks so much. Until next time.